Hello everyone, this is Karan Sai. As part of IIITDM Kanchipuram Hackathon, we have done the heart disease prediction project. The main aim of this project is to predict the heart disease so that we can reduce the number of deaths. As part of this project, this can be done in 5 steps. First one is importing the necessary libraries. As part of this, the first line includes the importing of the NumPy library, and second line importing the pandas, and third line we are going to split our data into training data and testing data. So we use train and test split. And next we have to fit our data into logistic regression model so that it can predict whether heart disease is there or not. Next we have to evaluate our model. For that we can use accuracy score. Next we have to load the data. First of all, just wait for a minute, I will run this. Next we have to load the data. This hard data from hard disease data.csv. We are loading the data. Data.head returns the first 5 rows of the dataset. It includes age, sex, CP, test BPS, call, LPS, test ECG, DAL ACH. These are the some columns which are present in the heart disease data set. Now when we run this, it will print the last 5 rows. Hard data shape returns the shape of the dataset, which means it has 303 rows and 14 columns. Next, hard data.info. This will show each column which have how many non-null values and what is that count and what is the data type of the column. Next, we are checking for the missing values. You can see every column has 0 missing values, so no need to done any pre-processing steps. Next, hard data.describe. This will describe the count, mean, standard deviation, 25%, 50%, and 75% max of the each column of the dataset. Next, this row will execute and return how many ones are there, how many zeros are there. 0 indicates there is no heart disease, 1 indicates there is the heart disease. You see here, 1 means defective heart, 0 means healthy heart. Now this part will contain first 13 rows of the hard data, which means only first 13 days, first 13 columns, and Y includes the target data set, which target data which include which decides whether we have heart disease or not. Print Y. Y means this is the hard data set. This will split our data set into train data, test data. Next, to know the shape of training data set and testing data set, this is the command we have to run. Next, we have to load our logistic regression model. Next, we have to fit our logistic regression model into for training data set. Next, we have to validate. Now we have to print the accuracy. Accuracy is 85%, which means the difference between training data prediction with the machine prediction and actual prediction is 15%, and it is matching up to 85%. Next, we have to read for the testing data set. Now we can print the accuracy of the test data set. It is 80%, which means our model is matching 80% of the data. Now we are testing for the new data set. It is showing that 0 means there is no heart disease for the person. Okay, thank you.